Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubble diagram. We'll start by understanding what these visual tools are and why they are so useful. Bubble diagrams are fantastic for organizing your thoughts and planning layouts, especially in the initial stages of any project. They provide a clear, simple way to see connections and adjacencies, making complex ideas much easier to grasp and develop. Before you start drawing, it's crucial to gather your information. Begin by listing every space or concept you want to represent. Perhaps you have 5 key areas. Next, consider the relative size or importance of each element. A main living area might be larger than a small storage room. Finally, identify how these elements connect or relate to one another, noting any direct adjacencies. Now for the fun part, drawing. Start by sketching circles or ovals for each space or concept you identified. Don't worry about perfect shapes. This is a conceptual tool. Make sure to vary the size of your bubbles to reflect their relative importance or approximate area. For instance, a large kitchen bubble versus a small pantry bubble. Then, use lines or arrows to illustrate the connections and relationships between them. Once your initial bubble diagram is complete, take a moment to review and refine it. Check for clarity and ensure the logical flow of spaces makes sense. You might find that moving a bubble just 1 or 2 inches improves the overall layout significantly. Don't hesitate to adjust positions or connections. Finally, add clear labels or brief notes to clarify any specific relationships or functions, making your diagram even more informative.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.